my, why are we way up here?
Hey y'all, Mom hasn't posted a video in 18,000 years.
It feels like it, right?
So, we have a grocery haul for y'all today.
Yes,
Walmart and Kroger's.
Yes,
I hate Kroger's, so thank God
we
didn't order. We did pick up.
Yes.
So we have a lot of stuff here to show y'all. A lot of stuff. So, Mom, what do we say? Do you need to tell them anything?
I got some stuff at Kroger's because it was on sale. And then there was
hit up y'all's Kroger.
Yeah, and well, the sale lasts just till Wednesday. But anyways, and then I got some other stuff at Walmart because it was just cheaper there. So.
And Mom wants to tell she's so incredibly sorry for not posting.
Yeah, and I'll post a video.
She's had poster block.
No,
not writer block, poster block.
I've had a lot going on in life, so I will post an update. Kind of
life
like a
update.
Yes, I'll do that pretty soon too. I've been meaning to sit down and do that. I just haven't. Oh, and here comes my niece.
She's not
she hopped away. We'll tell you about her later.
Okay, so y'all just make sure y'all subscribe and like and hit the bell.
And I'm hoping to have a what's for dinner this Friday.
So yeah, let's just go.
Okay.
Starting with Kroger's, we have
Okay.
Land O'Lakes butter. 2 of those.
They were on sale.
Yeah. 2 things of strawberries. Some mozzarella cheese and some mild cheddar cheese and some nacho and taco cheese and some queso quesadilla cheese and some Mexican cheese.
We like cheese and it was on sale.
Oscar Mayer hot dogs. 2 are a chocolate chip muffin, banana nut muffin, and blueberry nut. Blueberry, not blueberry nut. Not waffles, muffins. We have 2 Betty Crocker mixes, 1 yellow and 1 butter recipe yellow cake mixes, some Sandy shortbread pecan cookies, and some chocolate Chips Ahoy cookies. Mayonnaise is the one we use, y'all. It's the best. We don't like any other.
We like Hellman's the best.
Yes. Nutty Buddies, chicken breasts.
Oh, I wasn't at the chicken breast.
What?
Okay.
Oh, you weren't at the chicken breast. Okay.
But
so these are boneless chicken breasts. Okay. Cosmic brownies and fudge rounds. Marshmallow fruity pebbles because we just ran out. And goldfish flavored plastic because I love goldfish and Cheez-Its and anything related to crackers and chips. Okay, now we're on the Walmart side, right? Okay. 2. This is my favorite flavor. I got one for me and one for Peyton. Y'all. Peach mango green tea Celsius. So good. We got Tyson chicken fries. These are really good for putting in the air fryer. Nature's Own butter bread. That's our favorite bread to get. Mom's favorite iced coffee, which is the Starbucks iced coffee, medium roast, unsweetened. She ventured out and actually got different kind of coffee, and now she loves it. We have 3 tomatoes, Takis. We always get a bag of Takis.
Kids love those.
We have to buy them like every single week. Romaine heart lettuce. And parsley?
No, cilantro.
Cilantro. We have cream cheese.
No.
Oh, this isn't cream cheese. I was looking at this. We have cream cheese and cottage cheese. And these are the best toast strudels. They're cream cheese and strawberry.
Yep.
They're so good. Mom got 2 of these steak and mac little microwave things.
I really like these for like a quick lunch for myself. I like them.
They come with mac and cheese. I don't like mac and cheese, really. I've changed. We have some great northern beans and some cannellini beans.
Cannelli beans, I think that they're.
I've never heard of these, but we got some.
For a recipe?
We got 2 Chobani yogurts and peanut butter cup.
My favorite.
Yes. And half and half.
For a recipe.
Do we have anything else?
Right here. The Cheez-Its.
Oh my gosh. We have Cheez-It Snack Mix. I love this. I only have like 3 things left in my little bag. And then I got this little 12-pack thing that has original Cheez-Its, cheddar jack Cheez-Its, and white cherry Cheez-Its. These are all amazing Cheez-It flavors.
And then we have our drinks over here.
Oh.
Say hi, Peyton.
Ignore the mess. These from Hobby Lobby. They're Golden Girl
66% off. Is that not cute?
Stay Golden and Squad Goals.
Over here.
I've only watched them a couple times, but we have Kroger water, 40 bottles. Oh my god, because
Peyton drinks a lot of water. That's good for her though.
She drinks like 8 bottles a night, so we have to make sure we have water. Okay, Gatorade.
Sorry, we're all over the place because we're just kind of out of whack. We don't really know how to record right now.
Gatorade, Glacier Cherry. These are really good. Dad probably asked for these.
No, actually, I saw that they were. I don't know if they were on sale or what, but I just
Dad will be drinking them.
Kroger's
probably. Lipton Peach Teas And red Gatorades, fruit punch. I don't like these ones. I like these ones, but most people like red Gatorades. I don't.
She's just
Cheyenne doesn't
different.
either.
Well, that's
So-
good. Then me and Adrian will drink them.
So yeah, I hope
We'll
y'all
get better
enjoy.
at recording.
And my
Thank
hair,
y'all.
My hair's all.
She's got her hair fixed today. Thank y'all for watching, and be on the lookout for a what's for dinner video, and I'm gonna do like a life update video soon. So
I almost just fell.
what?
I was balanced and I almost fell. Okay, y'all. I hope y'all have a great day, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And make sure y'all subscribe because Mom wants y'all to. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.